Good morning guys and welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Welcome to another unboxing and testing. And bali, meron tayo ngayong i-unbox, i-review. Welcome to another vlog. This is the Umarex Beretta M9 gas blowback po na airsoft pistol full metal. This is licensed by Beretta Umarex brand. Ayan po. US M9 Armed Forces. Markings. Ayan, may markings talaga siya ng Beretta. Kasi license mismo siya ng Beretta Italy. Ayan. Meron siyang markings mismo ng Beretta. Pati sa slide yan, markings. Ayan. This is full metal po. Ayan. Caliber 6mm. Beretta trademarks licensed by Beretta Italy. Yan, made for Umarex Germany. Yan, ito yung pistol. So papakita ko lang sa inyo, no? Yung pistol. Yan. Umarex M9. Pasadaan na natin. Beretta M9 24 rounder. Bali ito po ay gas blowback, gas powered. So gamit natin ay green gas. Pwede kayong gumamit ng 14 or 12. Ayan. Tapos yung bala niya ay plastic ball. Okay. BBs. Ayan. Beretta M9 full metal. Ayan. Meron siyang lagayan ng flashlight. Naka-ambidextrous na rin yung safety niya, manual safety. Yan. Mabigat siya, mabigat. Yan. Beretta M9 gas blowback airsoft pistol. Okay, so ito yung ganyang box. Okay, so ito yung magazine niya, gas mag, 24 rounder. Ayan. Metal din po yung mag. Bigyan na natin ng 5 shots. Okay, 5 shots lang for testing lang. Makita nyo lang yung putok na itong Beretta. Ano siya, 24 rounder po ang capacity ng mag. Sa totoo, 15. Yan, sa totoong Beretta. Yan. Three to 5 seconds. Okay, and testing. Beretta M9. Beretta M9 full metal. Solid. Again, this is the Umarex Beretta M9 gas blowback airsoft pistol.